Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Daniel. If you haven't wake up by 3 o'clock trying to figure out why your code works and why it doesn't, we are early friends. So, I'm not a pro, I'm just someone who decided to learn software engineering from the scratch because I have the passion for it, and honestly, it has been thrilling and confusing along the way. But I'm sharing this video to meet with various developers who are ahead of me and to be able to figure these things out together. Let's rewind. 6 months ago, I didn't know the difference between JavaScript and Java. Let's be a spoiler here, they are not the same. I actually thought full stack development was a giant pile of pancakes, but I had always have been curious about tech. So I started with YouTube tutorials, Camp, and a lot of trials and errors along the way. My first project was a website about my cat. It sounds silly though, but it was a progress. Let's be real here. Learning how to code feels like drinking from a fire hose. One day, you are like, I'm a genius. I just entered the deep. And the next day, you are like, Googling how to exist a Vim for the 47th time. But yeah, what's kept me going along the way? Every tiny wins add up. Like the first time I built a to-do list app that actually saved taxes. I texted my mom. She still doesn't get it, but hey, it was a progress. Right now I'm juggling front-end basics, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and dipping my toes into back-end stuff like Node.js and Python with Java also. My routine every day now is that I wake up by 11 p.m., code for 3 hours, and getting ready for school for the next day. What delay my time most is when I forgot to use semicolon. That is rare, right? I'm using Camp platform and documenting every wins and fails. My biggest lesson so far is that comparison is a thief of joy. When I see devs on Twitter building AI apps in the weekend, I feel like I'm moving at a snail speed. But then I remembered they started somewhere too, right? So I'm focusing on small goals this month. I'm building a portfolio site from the scratch. Maybe next month, I'll maybe tackling API. And someday, I'll look back at this video I'm making right now and crank. But that is a growth, right? If you are just starting out, here is what I've learned so far. 1. Embrace the confusion. If you are confused in every part of coding, coding is going to give you lots of confusion. Just embrace it. 2. Build dumb stuff. First time when I built a website for my cat, it sounds silly, yeah, it was a dumb stuff, but now I'm advancing on it. 3. Celebrate the tiny wins. If you build a website, though it's tiny, but celebrate it also. I'm sharing my wins and fails moments